Sivamangalam. Hi, this is Sivapriya Suresh from Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And today I am going to talk about my Guruji, who is Mr. Sivakumar of Samhara Peedam. He is also known as Vasisiva Siddham. And he has taught me a very sacred mantra, which is very unique in nature and which just takes 3.5 minutes, and the technique is so simple to learn, and the vibration which I got from this mantra is like I have been trying so much all around India to do meditation, but with this simple mantra I really got lot of changes in my life, and so many vision about Lord, everything, it started happening. So I just thought I'll share about my Guruji, and I request that if you all, because I want to pass on this sacred mantra to everyone so that it benefits one and all. And during this corona period, we are all undergoing so much of trouble in our life, and this mantra is the ultimate healer of everything. With this mantra you can heal so many diseases and everything. And my Guruji is doing lot of social work, like every day Annadanam is being done for 1,008 people. So if anybody is interested in joining us with all our noble whatever service we are doing and learning this sutra, we are sharing the link and below the video. You can all join this Annadanam. The main branch is in Tiruchi. We have branches all over India, some of the places, and we are yet to probably make more branches. And now even in Singapore we have our branch, and Annadanam is conducted everywhere. So my trust details are here. We are sharing the link below the video also. You can go to our website www.samarapeedam.com, and you can also email at samarapeedam2020@gmail.com. Our account number is 167802 5 times 0 and 4 times 8, and Indian Overseas Bank, Manachanallur branch. IFSC code IOBA 0001678. Branch code 001678. PAN is AAZTS685. Thank you. Waiting for more people to join hands with us. Thank you. Sivamangalam.